Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Google Calendar appointment slots for self-booking, complete guide step by step clearly.
Open your browser and navigate to Google Calendar. Sign in with your Google account if you haven't already.
In the top right corner, click the gear icon to access settings.
From the drop-down menu, select Settings. On the left side, find and click Create New Calendar.
Name your new calendar something like appointment slots.
Add a description if you wish, and set the appropriate time zone.
Once you've filled out the details, click Create Calendar. Now, return to your main calendar view.
On the left sidebar, you'll see your new calendar listed under My Calendars.
Click on the appropriate date when you want to offer appointment slots.
In the top left, click the plus button to create a new event. In the event window, click on Appointment Slots. Choose whether you want to create single or recurring appointment slots.
Set the duration for each appointment in the slot duration.
Pick a start time and an end time for your appointment slots.
If you want to set a specific date range, use the custom range option.
Once you've entered all the details, click Save. A pop-up will appear with a link to your appointment page. Copy this link to share with individuals who want to book time with you. You can also add additional details in the event description. To manage your appointment slots later, simply click on the event in your calendar.
From there, you can edit, delete, or adjust the duration as needed.
Remember to check your calendar regularly for any new bookings. You can set notifications for new appointments through your settings.
Now, you're ready to offer flexible, self-booking appointment slots using Google Calendar. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.